This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a specific question. It looks at lines 10 to 11. It starts here. There are examples of nasty centuries before Nast's birth, and that's where it ends. This is a really good example of needing to read outside the specific phrase that they point out in order to get context. So it says this phrase serves two, and one key word that you'll want to look up here is the word but. The word but really helps to identify the fact that this is debunking a theory, right? So the theory comes right before it. Nast is sometimes said to have come from Thomas Nast, right? So if you read this sentence and you read the but, you'll know that this is an example that's going counter to what was right before it, and that falls in line with the debunk. It really doesn't support, so that's definitely out. Humorous anecdote, that comes from nowhere. Discredit detractors. I don't even know what they mean by detractors. And provide an explanation. So this is something that it does do. It somewhat provides an explanation, but only in a very esoteric way, meaning you have to make lots of assumptions to see how this is an explanation. For example, you have to say, this is really a tool which helps explain that sometimes sometimes people think the etymology of a word is one thing, but they're wrong. But you'd have to look at many different lines all through this region in order to make that sort of statement, and there's too many assumptions. Debunk a theory is on the surface, it's true, it's good, it's very short, very straightforward. So that's your correct answer.